So this guy just came in right now, and just a quick unboxing. Thanks to Audio Savings for sending this out as fast as they could. So I'll be doing a few review of this device very soon, and I'll be doing the review of the other ones when they come in, so I have like a final master review. But this is the Beyerdynamic 9900. I add to Pro, and I think this is the 250 ohms that I got. So this is the 250 ohm resistance. Yeah, you can see right there. And I got this guy because, well, I needed the best resistance I could get to get this job done. So this is what it looks like. Feels like it has its own cradle, which is quite nice. Of course, usually cable management, they send everything into this crazy boxes. For some brands, not all of them do that though, but this guy did that right now. And I think I have to open it at the base too, apparently. And there we go. So it's non-detachable, which I'll probably say will be my biggest disadvantage for this device right now, straight up. If you can't detach the headphones, it's always usually a slight problem. It's not the biggest problem in the world, but just makes more sense for you to be able to detach this and be able to like get more flexibility and moving. But I like this foam, the plush feeling already feels great. Now this is the open back version. The 770 is the non-open back, so you definitely be having a lot of bleeding out of this. But I'm gonna test them out and let you guys know very soon. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next part of it.